I Wish by Sharice Nemhart. Written February 20, 2020. I wish I didn't care so much about opinions. I wish I didn't care about people and their judgments. I sit back and wonder the thoughts of others as if I'm them, wondering if they like me. Did I hurt them? Then I swallow the fence like I don't give a, but I care deep inside, trying to make sure I please them and keep my feelings on the inside. Surrender to them and the ideas they encompass. Surrender to society and conform to everything they oppress. Saying it's like it's normal to surrender and be oppressed. Like it's easy to conform and be suppressed. But it's a daily battle between self and oppress. Grew up conformed, grew up hating me and the uniqueness I'm made from. Grew up hating me. But I wish I did. I wish I was taught to love me from the start, from the beginning of my birth. I wish I didn't have to train myself now to stand up for me and reform commodity. I wish society just loved me for me. I wish I could just be me. I wish I could wish that everything would be.